Back to a brand new video. So today is the 2nd of September and the time is currently 7:10 UTC plus 1. So today we're going to be looking at Elrond as the title suggests. So Elrond is a pretty cool token itself. It's going to be having an upcoming mainnet launch and we will be going through it in this video. And that's a bit of an introduction of Elrond. So where is it currently trading at? It's on the coin market cap of number 63 with a ticker name of ERD, and the current price on coin market cap is 0.0197. And that's it with coin market cap, and I just want to talk about a bit of a technical analysis point of view of Elrond. So there's a bit of discrepancy between this value is currently 0.02. We don't know. I think this is more live, so I'm just going to be sticking with this. So if we just observe from face value, we can see that it's currently in a pretty uphill motion. But if I were to look at it for, let's say, a 4-hour chart, we have been very sideways trend. And this may be because of the upcoming news of the mainnet launch. And with any mainnet launch, we usually have a very high uptrend. And I think with Elrond, it could be the same. So what my suggestion is if we observe this area here, we can see that the charts observe and maintain this daily 20-day EMA chart. Sorry, it's SMA, simple moving average. And it uses the line as a line of support, whereas after the point of 10th of August, the volume and everything had slightly decreased, so it moved down. And in here, we just had a breakthrough of the simple moving average. And what that suggests to me and many other people, well, if we were to have a simple moving average like that, we'd have a very moving onto and having this line as a support line. And I think that is very much what a lot of people will be thinking. And what remains me to be bullish is the news that we're going to be covering. So let's quickly just look at the news that was going to happen. So, sorry about that. The Elrond mainnet token swap begins on Binance, and the new economic model is set in motion. And this is a bit of a graphic. So the last few months have been packed with progress on many fronts. The Elrond mainnet has been launched, and a great number of partners are already working to integrate and build on it. And all these news on Elrond has been extremely bullish. It's moved up quite high from where it was at the start of the year. And what exactly is happening is the path from Elrond to eGLD. So starting with the 3rd of September, we will officially begin the swap from Elrond to eGLD. EO will be the native currency of the Elrond economy, and all Elrond tokens will gradually be swapped to eGLD tokens. The eGLD ticker is an abbreviation for eGLD, as I've been saying, denoting the simplest and most intuitively powerful metaphor of what the Elrond currency aims to become. Starting now, we will use eGLD and eGLD interchangeably to refer to the native Elrond currency. And so how do we actually do this? For stakers or delegates, if you have already delegated your Elrond before the mainnet launch, your Elrond has been already swapped and you have received the new eGLD. For Binance, it will be automatically swapped. And other currencies, tokens and exchanges such as, so here we go, Crypto.com, MetaMask, Ledger, Trust Wallet, etc. You have to do it either manually in either two ways of depositing into Binance before the 30th of August, and that moment has passed as it's currently the 2nd of September, or via the Elrond swap bridge starting with the 3rd of September. And I think this is what a lot of people will be doing. And what exactly is the currency exchange rate in itself? The swap will happen at a 1,000 to 1 ratio, where 1,000 Elrond, or the old ticker value, is equal to 1 eGLD. So if we have a concrete example, the value of one eagle will be 1,000 times one eagle, Elrond, sorry. So if we were to have a Elrond worth $0.025, we will have one eagle 1,000 times of that. And if you want the calculation, you can just do this. Sorry. And that gives you that. So one e-gold is currently worth $25, or in this simplistic model. Whereas if we just do this, we can just see 0.0216, 0.021666, or just do that. What is that? 2166. Obviously, this one had a very optimistic approach of how much Elrond is currently trading at. And of course, it may increase, it may not increase, but we will cover a little bit more of a technical analysis point of view. And we're just going to be talking about how mainnet's launch affect the prices. So this channel is mainly for beginners, and you do have to do your own research before you actually buy into any of these tokens or cryptocurrencies. And if you don't know by now that mainnet are like upgrades. So if we were to read it, is a blockchain network that is capable of transferring a digital currency from a sender to a recipient. And whenever a upgrade or a mainnet takes place, mainnet launch, we have a initial price rise. And if you are a short-term trader or a day trader, you can profit from this. And if, for my personal opinion, I think that the RSI value is going to maybe go up and become a bit overbought after the launch. So we may see the daily moving 20-day moving average follow that trend of staying up, and I think we may see tick about the line graph to be like this. And this is, of course, to do paired with the volume that's going to be coming in with Elrond and the news, and more people are going to try and profit from this, and of course the price will follow in the same place. And I think this is generally the bullish trend that many people will be having. And if you guys can enter your trades at a specified time, I if you guys want to wait it out or do what you want to do, please let me know what you do end up doing. And if in a few days, in a few weeks, you profit from this, please come back and let me know. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. It will really benefit this channel and it'll help me grow. And if you've liked the video, please like it. It'll boost the algorithm and get me more exposed and help a lot more beginners. So I hope you guys enjoyed in this video, and thank you. Peace.